how to combine two Instagram accounts into one. So if you want to know how you can do that, just follow these steps. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So first thing you want to do is go to your profile and make sure to log into another account, or if you don't have one you can create it. So from here just tap on the hamburger menu, scroll all the way down, and then simply tap on add account. So here you can log into existing account, or you can create a new one. So for now I'm just gonna create a new account, and you can choose a username for your account. It can be anything, and Instagram will check if this username is available or not. So you can use a username that is available to you, and once your username is available you can just tap on next, and from here you can share your login info. But here, if you don't want to do this, you can create a new password for it. You could have just linked your account with your account center, but once you create a new password, I'm just going to show you another method. So you have to make sure that if your other account is linked with an email or a phone number, you want to enter the same email or phone number on this account as well, and tap on next. So essentially what this gonna do is it's gonna create a new account, and it's gonna link you with your other account through your email. And that's how you link or combine two accounts into one. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.